Delighted to be here today at the Active Schools Conference 2020, which has been really well put on by Dream Big Sports. Pleasure to work with them as ever. So it's really good again to share the insight that we've been collecting about how the Active Schools framework makes an impact in primary schools, using physical activity to improve outcomes across the school, not just in PE, sport and physical activity, but things like behaviour and attainment and social skills to drive up standards in schools. So some real think pieces around sustainability, around the longevity of the grant, around the effectiveness of it, and it being used as a tool for whole school improvement as well. Headline speakers were brilliant, really engaging, some really galvanising talks from Paralympic athletes and Ofsted inspectors, good variety of talks. Mental health was really interesting. So looking forward to coming back next year, to learning new things, meeting new people, embedding some of those relationships that started over the last couple of years.
Today's talk was mainly about what we've structured over the last 8 years at St Mary's. Curriculum design, offering a broad, balanced curriculum for all our pupils. Also, we did a little snapshot of our physical activity we do in our classroom, so the delegates had a chance to take part in our fitness video. It was nice to get them on their feet and moving around.
Today's just been a really fantastic, informative event. I found the speech by Megan really inspirational. It was a real privilege to actually meet her and have her come and visit our stand. Not only that, it's been really good to meet other people within the education sector, decision makers, business managers, and really as an opportunity for us to see how we can add value to what it is they're doing and just improving their overall educational environment.